There it is. There, now it is. Hey, Sloan, you want to give me a redo?
Gennaro, you guys are not roughhousing on that. Someone's going to get hurt. Very far away. Sloan, you don't want him to get to you, don't even reach at him. No, Marshall. Marshall. All right, what did I just say? Stop turning shit off. The hospital is 40 minutes away. And then it's almost done. And if Evelyn doesn't get food before we gotta drive to the hospital, she's been pissed.
Oh, she's hungry?
Oh my God.
I'm hungry. Get me something to eat. Guys, move. Watch this, Dad.
Don't go hitting the fence, Ev.
Marshall, get out of the way and let the water hit the thing so she can go down. He wants to videotape her.
We've been doing this all this time.
Cling! She goes almost to the fence.
Stop talking. It's recording. Yeah, Mom, you're going to ruin it.
These guys were doing like somersaults onto this thing. Yeah, all aim at each other, and then when one of them gets hit, they get mad.
It's always a good time for someone to get hurt. Here, let me help you.
Hey, keep it away from my phone.
Evelyn. You guys, why don't you pick up the garbage? Weirdos. You guys had a great time yesterday with no rough house. You need to go rough house, and you got bored now. You're gonna be hurt tomorrow. Show your dad your stomach. Let him videotape.
Oh, I've seen it. I've seen it. I've had it.
Marshall. No. You tore up your shoulder too, boy.
No.
Come on, I just got to split it on my arm. Get on and we'll drive
Don't
down.
do that.
Get on.
Like sit. No, like sit.
You ready? Ride the pony. Woo!
That was a little uncalled for.
Too bad I didn't have it on tape.
Yeah, not as young as we used to be, are we?
No, we're not. That's for sure.
That's hurting me watching them.
Go for it. I'll get it on camera.
How about you go for it?
Fuck that. Marshall just got taken out.
Oh, you should have seen them. They were like dominoing each other, playing bowling.
They were doing it today. They're still doing it.
Busted my face. Like that?
Sloan, let's see you go from a sitting position
Like that.
to a laying position.
To the laying.
From sitting to laying.
Like, I can't.
Sit, then lay. Now
What?
Oh, yeah. I can do this.
Let's see you go from laying on your back to laying on your stomach.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
But you have to... Alright, go ahead. Just go. We'll see how it works out.
You gotta be pointing face down.
There you go. Yeah, just like that. Laying on your back to laying on your stomach. Just like you did.
All the way, stomach. Damn. I feel like trying to get around.
Spin.
I would just roll.
He's gonna spin.
I was thinking you could roll, but then you wouldn't be facing the way you were required.
Nope.
Uncle Ronnie, oh yeah.
Slow torpedo.
With the twister.
I'm gonna go cycle.
Do it, Ed. Do it. Put this voice to shame.
Hold on, I'm thinking how I'm gonna do this. Move.
Marshall, stay out of the way. Really? A poser?
Okay. Poser.
Marshall? Okay.
I'm dizzy.
Real good.
Oh, lame. Just way lame.
Oh, Popo. Here we go. And you're not going nowhere.
Nice try.
Shook you off like a bug.
Now what?
Poor Gennaro, he's tore up, Ron.
He's actually hurt.
I bet he's hurting. He's gonna be hurting tomorrow.
He's got taken out a couple times by these guys.
Bowser! I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Just do this. Oh yeah. Hey,
Penguin?
Yeah.
That makes me stressed out. She can grab it.
I'm the only one that can do it. Swimming slow.
You guys are tore up. You need showers again.